next master, lyrical disaster, breaking all the necks even quicker and the faster. Last one up, never going down for show. Like the ship Black Pearl on the quest for more. Yes, I'm falling down eternity's drain. Got me thinking that this life ain't nothing but a game. Okay, the game is on, so put your game face on. Like the game goes on, kick off. I got the ball in my claws, running straight down the line, doing fakes like a fraud. You can't stop me with the mind. I'm going to the ship, y'all, going to the ship. Going to the ship, y'all, going to the ship. Going to the ship, y'all, going to the ship. Going to the ship, y'all, championship. Ship. Call me the doctor, baby, cause I be operating. Call me the chopper, baby, cause I be elevating. Call me the king of disaster, class 87. I've been walking dead ground since the age of 11. So bring me heaven, I need a place to rest. I need the fucking record studio so I can do what I do best. Put the test on my back and I get straight A's. I'm walking this earth, fighting my prize beyond the maze. I'm living for the smile like I'm ecstasy, man. Just like a lion, I'm the next to be, man. I'm free, man.
Just got out of fucking up like shit goes. Just got out of fucking up with who knows.
The champ, the master, the fucking up the class clown. You got no other choice than just to back
it goes. Just got out of fucking up with who knows.
The champ, the master, the fucking up the class clown. You got no other choice than just to back down. You know everybody looking at you like you're fucking fake done. Now just break some. So just like dilated, this night is back again. Just got violated, so I'm back again and again and again. Sucking on your brain, fucking insane. I'm the leech bringing motherfucking pain. No gangster, strictly a rapper, man. Can't rap about clapping with the guns again. Clap, clap on the track, everybody, and just act like you're